Welcome to English Learning Zone.
The best place to practice, shadow, and improve your English speaking skills.
Here are a few tips for you. If you want to talk about your own daily routine, use simple present tense. Example, I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Keep your sentences short and clear. Morning routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The first thing I do is stretch and smile. Then I make my bed. After that, I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face and sometimes take a quick shower. Then, I get dressed. I like wearing comfortable clothes in the morning. Next, I go to the kitchen. I usually drink a glass of water and then make tea. For breakfast, I eat toast and eggs, or sometimes idli and chutney. I sit near the window and enjoy my breakfast. After breakfast, I check my phone. I read messages and emails. Then, I plan my day. I make a small to-do list in my notebook. If I have time, I like to go for a short walk. It helps me feel fresh and energetic. Late morning to afternoon. After my walk, I start my work. I usually work from home. I open my laptop and check what I need to do. Sometimes, I have online meetings. I try to stay focused and productive. Around 1 p.m., I take a lunch break. I like to eat rice, dal, and vegetables. After lunch, I relax for a few minutes. I also like to listen to music or watch short videos. It helps me refresh my mind. Evening routine. Around 5 p.m., I go for a walk or light exercise. Sometimes I meet my friends or neighbors in the park. We talk and laugh together. If I don't go out, I help at home. I may water the plants or clean my room. At 7 p.m., I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day while eating. After dinner, I help clear the table. Then, I spend time reading a book or learning something new online. Sometimes, I watch a TV show. Before sleeping, I check my phone again and reply to important messages. I also set my alarm for the next morning. Night routine. At around 10:30 p.m., I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I turn off the lights and lie down in bed. I think about my day, what went well and what I can do better tomorrow. Finally, I say to myself, tomorrow will be a great day. Then, I fall asleep peacefully. Tip section. Practice speaking every day, even for 5 minutes. That's how you'll become fluent and confident. So that was my daily routine. What about you? Tell me about your daily routine in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English practice videos. See you in the next one. Goodbye, and have a great day.